Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the best Swiss military by Chrono watches of 2023 based on specifications. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon button for my new videos notifications. Number 6. Swiss military by Chrono SM34081 Swiss-made Chronograph watch. This masculine chronograph watch for men is the perfect timeless companion to easily go with any dress situation you might encounter. The sleek steel design holds a blue dial with subtle sporty design features such as a tachymeter and red accents on the dial and hands. Stainless steel case. K1 extra hardened mineral glass with sapphire coating. Swiss-made. 1/10 chronograph movement. Water resistance up to 100 meters. Number 5. Swiss military by Chrono SM34076 Pilot Chronograph watch. This vintage-style Pilot Chronograph watch will follow you on all paths of life. Its adventurous but elegant DNA blends perfectly with your lifestyle, be it in business or during leisure time. Stainless steel case with durable PVD plating. K1 extra hardened mineral glass with sapphire coating. Swiss-made. 1/10 chronograph movement. Water resistance up to 100 meters. 10 ATM. Number 4. Swiss military by Chrono SM34061 Multifunction Outdoor Chronograph watch. This robust multifunction chronograph watch is a must for adventurers and outdoor sportsmen. It features 2 alarms, an altimeter, a chronometer, a local time and a second time zone function, a weather trend indicator, an absolute and relative pressure indication, perpetual calendar, thermometer, and timer. Stainless steel case. K1 extra hardened mineral glass with sapphire coating. Swiss-made. 1/10 chronograph movement. Water resistance up to 100 meters. Number 3. Swiss military by Chrono SM34052 Classic Chronograph watch. This classic bi-color chronograph watch for men is the perfect timeless companion to easily go with any dress situation you might encounter. The sleek bi-color design holds a white dial with classic index and hand designs. Moreover, this chronograph watch is made with all our Swiss-made quality features. Stainless steel case. K1 extra hardened mineral glass with sapphire coating. Swiss-made. Water resistance up to 100 meters. Number 2. Swiss military by Chrono SMA34086 Automatic Dive watch. This robust, automatic dive watch is the perfect companion for your outdoor activities and everyday life. Whatever the occasion, be it casual, sporty, or elegant, this high-quality automatic watch with its sporty watch design always impresses. What's more, this timepiece is fully packed with high-quality features fit for a truly rugged, Swiss-made sports watch. Tough stainless steel case, scratch-proof sapphire glass, screw crown, rotating bezel, Swiss-made, automatic movement, water resistance, 200 meters. Number 1. Swiss military by Chrono SMA34075 Automatic Dive watch. This robust, professional dive watch is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures on land and in water. However, this impressive Swiss-made men's watch is not only a perfect match for your outdoor activities, it is also a reliable partner for everyday life. stainless steel case, ceramic bezel, scratch-proof sapphire glass, Swiss-made, automatic movement, water resistance up to 500 meters.